scientists can't explain this, and you're about to see why. Flamingos aren't born pink, they're gray. They turn pink from eating shrimp and algae. So yeah, they're what they eat. And somehow they can stand on one leg for hours. Meanwhile you almost fall putting on pants. Flamingos eat upside down. Their beaks filter food like built-in strainers. Don't scroll, smash like and subscribe right now because the last one sounds fake, but it's real. Flamingos live in huge groups called a flamboyance, which sounds less like birds and more like a fashion show. And here's the wild part, that red liquid isn't blood, it's something called crop milk. That red color comes from pigments in their food, like algae and shrimp. So if they're gray at birth, what color would you be based on your diet?